Dejimon episode 72. Look.
This time is real. Got real service. Real savings. Real service. Real savings.
Great Digimon update. It's a tie. I can't believe it. A tie. The thrilling final quarter of the yellow match scored 20 points, leaving this puppy up to you. Remember, to break the tie, go to foxkids.com and vote for the team you think should win. Then, next Saturday morning, the winner will be announced during the premiere of Fox Kids' new show, Los Luchadores. I'm Jerry Bradshaw, and for Kari and Izzy, thank you for watching and vote today.
No way. And how are my favorite contestants today? Well, your only contestants do wait. I just want to remind everyone that the physical challenges are a little rigorous, but the rewards are inconsequential. So if things get too rough out there, you can drop out anytime you want.
Oh, don't worry about me. I can handle anything.
If the girl is in, I'm in. Anyway, if you need anything, don't bother to speak up.
I can't believe my own brother doesn't think I can stick it out. I'll show him. I'm star material here. Make up my own.
Oye, creo que no cuentan con esta vez.
No lo sé, señor. Yo lo vi algo muy Andas hablando de ser insoportables. Mis hermanos vencen a los tuyos. De acuerdo, sí, ambos son insoportables, pero mis hermanos tienen una chispa de asombro que los hace mucho más odiosos, te lo aseguro. ¿No me estás escuchando? Mis hermanos harán...
It goes and I'm in.
Ya sé a quién superaremos hoy.